Today's video is about driving fails, mistakes, how to not drive, and bad drivers. As always, there's a bonus video at the end. I just thought the passing car was going to lose control when it whipped in front of that tractor trailer. People always in a hurry. Another bad driver in El Paso, Texas.
Oh, is she honking at me too?
Yeah. Does she not realize it's not green for them? Man, you gotta pay.
Like, not even some few things here and there, snacks or something?
They give water, soft, like...
We were leaving the airport, and the SUV to my left didn't shoulder check, almost sideswipes me.
Oh, what the fuck, man?
Holy moly.
Are they even seeing what they're
You
doing?
gotta look.
Ontario driver, man.
SUV somehow missed the one-way sign, and they made the left slowly.
What? You can't make a left there. One way. What?
Bro.
Oh my
God.
god.
What?
What the hell?
Who is she yelling at now? She's pointing at someone. Like.
Shit.
The white pickup hit the white Ford when turning to I-85 southbound with no visible damages as I was passing by. They didn't even pull over at all. Pretty sure the truck driver didn't like my Trump sign in the back window. Driver bonking some of the big traffic cones on a Garden State Parkway ramp.
That's NPR's Camila Dominowski, who covers cars and energy. Thank you for being with us.
That was fun.
Due to the high volume of traffic, I was unable to stop and offer dashcam footage to both parties. Although, as my act of kindness, I will be giving the footage to MPI Insurance for further investigation.
I got that on camera. Should I tell them?
Yeah, we should tell them. Go. Be careful, like, we don't want to get hit because of that. No, we can tell them we have a dash cam.
How would I tell them?
Okay, you want to go tell them?
Brand new truck gets rear-ended. Looks pretty open and shut to me. 10 days later, Elephant Insurance is still stalling on getting repairs underway. Latest demand, pictures of truck interior and registration. The latter sent already thrice.
Really, asshole? Bro, what the fuck?
This video was created for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. Feel free to leave your comments under the video. Car was pulled out by a passing truck who had heavy-duty chains. Driver sustained only a minor scrape on left arm.
Oh, shit. What? Shit.
And the bonus video, what are your thoughts? Write in the comments. The situation is almost the same as in the previous instant karma video, and again in Japan. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.